Welcome to online digital marketing training. In this video, I'm going to explain how to use plugins in your website for lead generation because having a website is not a great idea. Someone come to your website, they should fill the form, they should chat with you, and they can go to your social media profile, they can share your content. Okay, let's get started. Now, you see my website ODMT. For any website, the top thing is called header. This is called header, and this is called footer. Header, footer, whatever it is there in the side, it's called a sidebar. Header, footer, sidebar. And if you observe, if you go to any page, any of your website page, header, footer, sidebar will be same. Am I correct? Right. Then if you want to change your header, footer, sidebar, which option you will go in your website? In the dashboard. So that is called widgets. There is an option called widgets in appearance. See, as of now, your website sidebar, I have search button and recent comments. When I open widgets, you can see search, recent comments, recent posts. I don't want them. I'm just deleting them. That's it. Now stick here. Nothing is there. I want to add something then. What I can add? See, left hand side, by default, widgets can be given. By default, this thing, a text you can put, a video, a search button, recent post, image, gallery, calendar. I want to put a calendar. Select this where you want, whether you want it as sidebar, secondary sidebar, or footer. Header option they didn't give directly. Some themes they'll give, some themes they didn't give. We got a calendar. But what I want is a contact form. I want a contact form. But can you see the contact form here? There is no contact form. When you bought your smartphone, by default Gmail app will be given, YouTube app will be given. Will you get a Swiggy app, Zomato app? Then what are you gonna do? Download from a Play Store. Here also by default only this many widgets has been given. If you want more, here also Play Store is there. That is called plugins. Plugins. Click on the plugins and add new plugin. A number of plugins are there. I can't say this many. There are something lakhs of plugins are available. These are all free of cost. This is done by individual developers. They write a code and they give it to you for free of cost. Maybe 70% of the features they give you. If you want pro, they'll ask you money anyway. But that free options are enough for you. Now, what I want now? Contact form. Then search here, contact form. Then these are all different contact forms. You can use any one of this. When you're trying for a food delivery app on a Play Store, you'll get many things. Zomato, Swiggy. It's up to you which one you have to download. On what basis you download app? Number of installs and rating. Here also same thing. How many people have been installed and what is the star rating? Based on that you can do. Obviously this guy have 5 million active installations. But for your benefit, I prefer something else. So there is a plugin called Contact Form by Subsystic. Subsystic is the company. They develop contact form, live chat, different thing. It's very simple to use actually. I'm not recommending you the famous one. I'm recommending you the simple one. So go for this. So there is a Subsystic company. They wrote code and they gave it back to you. Simply install this and activate. Done. Okay. Because contact form is not ready to use anyway, because there are many things you have to put it anyway. So if it is ready made directly, you can see in a widget, but you have to do many things. So left hand side, it came here, contact form by subsystem. It came. Click on that and design your contact form. Create your form. Now see, there are different designs for your contact form. It's up to you. Whatever you want, you can take. I want the simple one and name it. You can name that. I can write first. Save. Done, guys. That contact form is ready. You can see the short code. Take the short code and paste wherever you want. You will be having the contact form. Now, by default, what are the options? Leave it. I'll come back to that. But code is came. Take the code and put it. I want to put it in a contact form. Like contact as option is there. Go there. You can reach us, he said, and I'm just writing here. Please fill the form. Okay. Right. Update. Now, if you open this page, you have a contact form. First name, last name, email, subject, message. They click on send. Directly, this will come to your email. Because by the time I created a website, I gave this email ID. So here only all the leads will be coming to me. Recently, see contact form. Any person, this is not one, but I'm telling anyone fill the form, I'll be getting a contact lead like that. But mine is a training institute. What I need is phone number, but that option is not available. So go to contact form by subsystem, and this is the one we created. If you want, you can multiple forms you can create it in different pages. I want to change this actually, so click on that. Now even the form also you can make changes. As of now, the form is simple, right? Even if you want form background, none image color, even you can use the colors also. This is not mandatory, but if you want to design it, you can do it. You can see the background color has been changed. Inputs and buttons background, submit button style, reset button style, everything is there. Even this style also you can change. Now input and buttons background, black is there. I'm using blue. Let's see how it look like. You can try this anyway. Right, main thing is I want to change this. I want to add some contact form. I don't want last name. I don't want this reset button. So directly go to fields. Can you see fields option? Fields. Now here I don't want last name. Put your cursor here. Delete it. I don't want reset button. I don't want subject. Let it be message. But I want what? Contact form. So phone number I want it. So there is a add new field button. Click that. Now this many options you can add. There are many options you can add. Here I want phone number. So there is an option called number. Even if you want, you can create a radio button list. Which course you want to take? Data science, big data, Java, .NET, such a multiple select all options also available. They can select like that. So I selected number. Now here placeholder. Placeholder means here you can see email, right? Whenever you fill this, that placeholder will come. I'm writing phone number. This is for the user purpose. Label, whether you give or not a problem. Label means it will come just before that one. Here it will come. It's not required. But placeholder is mandatory. Name is mandatory. This is for the user, this is for the system. Now using two numbers. Two numbers you're using anyway. At the time, see, I'm making it as a number. I mention it as a number. Next time, one more phone number I'm using. Here also you can mention phone number two, another phone number. This has to be changed. It should be because you're giving to the system actually. When you're giving for the system, no two fields should be same. Number one, number two in such a way it has to be there. Only remember that. Now you're mentioning required. If any person not filling the form, you will say it will not allow anyway. So mention required. Okay. So phone number came here, right? Save button. Now if you see, you got a phone number, right? Now some advanced option I'm telling this is not required at this stage, but anyway, try to take more anyway. I'm filling the form. I mentioned everything. As of now, I'm in a datascience.techcourses.com/contact us page. Click on send button. Thank you for contacting us. Still, I'm in that page only. So in future, you'll be learning a conversion tracking. Someone click on your ad, come back to your website, you fill the form. Now, customer came to contact us page. Is it a conversion? Or customer fill the form? Is it a conversion? Which is conversion? Customer fill the form, then only conversion. But how do I know that customer fill the form? Because both are in the same page. Whenever customer fill the form, if you go to a new page, okay, then I can think it's a conversion. Both are staying in the same page. I have to redirect to some other page. Generally, if you go to e-commerce website, whenever you make purchases, finally it will go to thank you very much, your order has been received. New page will come. Any customer been to that page means one item has been purchased. Is there any chance that 100 people came to the website, 10 people been to that page means 10 people purchased the product? Is there any chance that everyone can go to that page without purchasing a product? So you can't go. So here also we have to set up like this. Whenever you're placing a contact form, make sure that create a thank you page. So what I'm doing now is I'm creating a new page called thank you page. And you should not add this in a menu. You should not add, leave it. Thank you. So thanks for giving your details. One of our representative. And that's it. This is the page. You can see in the menu there is no thank you page. So whenever customer fill the form, we have to redirect this page. Right. Now go to contact us form. You know how to change the fields. Now there is an option called submit option. Click on this. Now redirect after submit. As of now it is staying in the same page. Now what I'm doing is redirect after submit to where? It has to go to this page. This page it has to go. And I mentioned whenever customer fill the form, I'm getting emails to techcoursesonline@gmail.com. Everything is done. Click on save button. Now this is the perfect conversion tracking. Let me show you how it is working. Let me go to contact us form. This is where people landed. This is not conversion, and customer is filling the form. Right? Click on send button. Page been thank you page is not staying in a same page. This is how you have to track the conversion tracking. Creating a contact form easy, but try to make this one, because in the future you'll be earning Google ads and social media. Then it will be useful. Clear? Right. And one more thing is, I don't want contact form in only one page. I want it in a sidebar. If you want to place something in a sidebar, which option will go? Widgets, right? Widgets. So appearance, widgets. By default, you will be having only few, but contact form will not be available. But now it came. See, contact form by subsystic, where you want in a sidebar. The contact. If you have multiple options, you have an option of selecting. I created only one contact form. Now write title like, please fill your details. Save. Now if you see contact form key. Now I don't want calendar, else I want this to be on top. Then drag and drop. Calendar will come down. And you don't want calendar, just delete it. That's it. Now contact form is in every page. Next guys, you might have seen whenever you go to multiple websites like even GoDaddy also, some kind of chatting will be there. By default they only say hi, how can I help you, and you can chat with them. Okay, that is called live chat. Even you can put a live chat on your website. So that is done by plugin. So go to plugins, add new. Here you can type live chat. Again, live chat, a number of plugins are available. These are all the plugins. But again, I can go for live chat by Subsystic, simple one anyway. Simply type live chat by Subsystic, you'll be getting. So install it. Activate. This require nothing. Just install it, that will come by default. Just see here. Can you see here? Let's chat. Please try to chat. Open the website from your mobile phone, datascience.techcourses.com. No www, directly type this website. And you'll be having option called let's chat. Type your email and name, click on start chat. And I'll show you how it works. How you fill the form? So once you fill the form, here you can see I have a live chat dashboard. I can see who are chatting with me. So as of now, Ishwar Swami and Banu Prakash. So these people put a request. I can open that and I can chat with them. I can see Banu Prakash. This is his email ID, and from this IP address, and he chat with me from the home page. Can you reply back? Who is this? And this all information will be stored in the backend. So what I'm getting lead, right? And after the conversation, I can tag it as pending, in progress, complete, user gone, cancelled. These options also I can do it. So we can chat like that. Now once it is done, you say complete, then close. Now these are not finished one. This will stay like this only until I'll chat with them. It will be okay. The problem with the live chat. The problem with the live chat is people's patience. Now you been to the website, suddenly you saw the live chat, you said hi. You waited for 20 seconds or 30 seconds, no one reply back. What happens? You'll quit the website. People don't have a patience more than 30 seconds. Immediately they respond, they'll stay. So that is the problem with the live chat. Now you created live chat on the website, a customer came, you are not available at the time. Then there is a possibility you're missing that customer. Immediately replying, that guy feels that okay, everybody is active, there is a possibility of conversions. Okay, but you can't be stay on live chat 24 hours. Then you recruit some people, two people you recruit, assume that. If five people chatting at the time, two people can manage, and your website has become famous, suddenly 20 people are chatting at a time, two people can't serve this. Then you have to recruit five people, more people coming to your website, more people you have to recruit. There is a possibility you have to set up your customer support. Amazon, these kind of websites, they have a customer support non-voice process, but you're not that much big one, and still problem is there in the live chat, and your uh, investment will increase. So for this, there is alternate called chatbot. With the help of artificial intelligence, you can set up a bot. You only set up a bot in such a way that that bot will talk to the customer. If one person come or 1 lakh persons comes also, it will talk to the people. So that is called chatbot. So this is also a plugin. So type chatbot. Here many plugins are there, but one plugin is easy actually. So try to install this plugin, collect.chat. So almost all the plugins will store in the dashboard. Very few plugins will go to settings. And the collect.chat is one kind of that. It is will be there in the settings. So go to collect.chat. Now read the instructions. If you are not an existing collect.chat user, click here to register. Now type your website name, on which website you want to have that. Type your email ID, and you set up your password, and create free account. Welcome to collect.chat. It's giving some example how the chatbot will be. Right. Now preview script publish. You can see where you want your collect.chat, whether it in a down, middle or top left. Right will be good anyway. What kind of avatar you want and what kind of message you want. Even you have male and female. Obviously female is the best option. And theme, you can select the theme, what color you want. Right. You can see even in chatbot also women are taking your jobs. Future will be women only. You have to work hard, then only can grab jobs. Script. Now by default some script will be given. You have to, here you have to put a lot of efforts. So by default few things are there. I'm deleting them. First hello, automatically it say hello. And after that, you have to ask question. Your question should be in such a way, but don't ask question like this. Hello, tell me how can I help you? Open-ended question. If you ask, then he can ask anything. He can ask anything. I need a material for digital marketing, and the machine don't know what question. So your question should be in such a way that, hello man, are you looking for digital marketing training or consulting? Multiple choice questions. He said digital marketing. Then, are you looking for classroom or online? Classroom. Are you looking for morning batch or weekend batch? Select. So these kind of questions only good for you. So this is multi-choice. Select multi-choice and edit. Ask question like, you're looking for. So here, training or consulting. The digital marketing consulting also they'll take. Training or consulting. They'll select training or consulting. Done. And I wanted to here. Then user reply. Okay. Next, one more question. Multi choice. We're looking for classroom or online. Done. Now you'll be selecting something, classroom or online. Next, one more question. So he selected everything. Then I want phone number because the main thing is I need his contact details. Then let me take his number. Can I have your number? So digits, because if we enter wrong digits, you will show please enter a valid number. Done. Finally, thank you message. Done. Everything is set up. Then, so there are many options other you can utilize it. Whenever you do scripting, spend more time, brainstorm it, publish. When you're publishing, there are some options here. Copy the above code snippet and paste in your HTML code, preferably before the closing head tag. Come back here, just paste here only. And where you want to show chatbot, only home page or all pages, it's up to you. Save setting. Open the website. Can you see? All of you check. Chatbot will be there. So, chatbot, you can see here. It's saying hello. Are you looking for training or consulting? Looking for training. Automatically asking another question. Are you looking for classroom or online? Online. Are you looking for weekday or weekend? Then it is asking, can I have your number? I'm entering wrong number. Please enter valid number. Then thank you message. Thank you very much. We'll get back to you soon. So even 1 lakh people chat also, it's capable of answering and all the data will be stored in the backend. Who chat with you, the complete data will be stored in the backend. So here, collect that chat, responses will be there. Whose one is this 9494? So the details are coming over here. All you can export to CSV, have a back. and your receptionist keep on calling them regarding that. Okay, so this is about chatbot. So contact form we set up. Now live chat is not required. Once the chatbot is there, live chat is not required. Then how to remove the plugin? So go to plugin. Live chat by Subsystic is there. Deactivate it. And if you want, you can delete that also, so that you can save some space. Contact from live chatbot. Next pop-up. But I've seen when you been to the website, some pop-ups will come. Do you think pop-ups are good or bad? Sometimes good, sometimes irritating if you don't set up properly. But pop-up is also one kind of taking leads only. So let me set up a pop-up. Plugin, add new. Here, pop-up by subsystem. So I'm just installing the pop-up. Activate. Done. Now here pop-up also you have to design it. So it will be coming here. Click on that. The video also I gave. Let's start. Now which pop-up you want to take? There are different pop-ups available. Even you can buy also. There is a premium plugins are there. Beautiful pop-ups will be available. You can select anything. So that I'm selecting this and name it and click on save button. That's it. Now whenever people come to your website, the pop-up will come in. See, whenever people came to your website to read some data, immediately pop-up coming is not good. So you should make it to wait for some time. So here options are there. When you install it only, many options are there. When to show pop-up, when page loads, this is not good. So delay for some time. Let to make for 5 seconds. Now whenever customer comes, at least it will make them to wait for 5 seconds, then pop-up comes. 15 seconds, 20 seconds. It's better to use a 1 minute. Customer read your content 1 minute means it's kind of interest. Then show pop-up, there is a possibility he will subscribe to your newsletter or else he'll give his phone number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pop-up is coming. Now this is good idea. Now, when to close pop-up? After user close it. Because we close, it's gone. Sometimes whenever in mobile phone you can't close properly. So I selected option outside pop-up. Click outside pop-up also, it will go. Now see. Okay, I did refresh. Now we'll see. Done. And some options are there like only after action. So you try to close, it will not go. You have to fill that, then only it will go. Then user get irritated, they'll try to close the website only. So don't use that option again. Now whom to show? Everyone. Just now he filled that, again it's going. Is it correct? Don't show to the already person who fill it. For the first time visitors, or else until user makes an action, this is good anyway. But there are some options here in such a way that customer came, pop-up will not come. Whether it is 20 minutes or 30 minutes, as long as he's staying on the website, it will not show. Whenever user is ready and he want to close this, whenever he's moving his cursor like that towards this option, by the time here and here, pop-up will come. So that much of options I have. Immediately wait, man. 20% discount, 30% discount. Flirting the guy. That is good for you anyway. So here is an option on exit from a site. But see, this is a pro option. So if you want to use this, you have to pay for this plugin. Okay. Remember, this is the Pop-up plugin. Best utilize this. So we learned contact form, live chat, chat board, and pop-up. Can you see this? These are called social share buttons. Assume that your content is good. Give an option to the people to share your content. So you only creating your opportunities of reaching many people. So this is also a plugin. Again, go to plugin, add new, social share buttons by Subsystem. There are many plugins again. So install this and activate it. Now this also social share by Subsystem because you have to set up things. What social media you want, project name, and the options. Which one you want, you can select. Whether this is selected anyway. Create. Now what do you want to? Whether you want Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, WhatsApp also you can push. Create. No options came. Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn. Whenever you want to change, you can change it. Now, where you want to show a sidebar. By default, it is coming in a sidebar. Let's see how it look like when it comes in a sidebar. Can you see here? It's in the sidebar. Now, you want it in a top. Even customer scrolling down, it keeps staying here. Whether you want in a bottom, or else I want it in a content. This is a good idea. Content above the content, below the content. As of now, I pushed above the content. Means here it is coming. Above plus below also you can mention. It's up to you guys wherever you want to push it. So this plugin is keep on disturbing you. So if you want, you can remove this anyway. Right. Okay. See, spend more time on this option. What is this? What is this? What is this? Don't feel like something will happen if I go to this option. As I told you, without killing a patient, you won't become a doctor. Same thing. Without spoiling your website, you can't become a good developer. So spoil as many as websites. Even you can see statistics also, how many people saw your post recently. Right. This is pop-up. Now if you see my website ODMT, you can try to open this. In desktop you will not see anything, but when you open from a mobile phone, you will see WhatsApp button. You will see WhatsApp button. Someone click on that, you can chat with my employee. That is also immediate way of lead, because these days people using WhatsApp in such a way. So just click on that, don't chat anyway. Again, she thinks that she's getting a lead. When you click, automatic message will come. Like so, when you click on that, you can chat. Okay, so that is a lead generation. Even you can put a contact form also. Can you please try to open quickam.in? This is my another ambulance website. Here, people don't have a time to chat with you. What they want? What they want when they're looking for ambulance? Call now button, right? Try to open from your mobile phone. Directly down, you have a call now button actually. Even I'll try to show now. See, mobile version I'm showing. Directly call now button will come. Click on that. It will show a number in a dial pad. You can talk to that guy. So these are all plugins only. These are all plugins only. So this is called call now button. That is a Click to chat WhatsApp. The plugin name is called Click to Chat WhatsApp plugin. You can install. In such a way, some lakhs of plugins are there. Depends on your requirement. You search on the plugin, you will get it anyway. And you want to know what kind of plugins I have used, ODMT I have used. See guys, ODMT is a very simple theme. With the plugins only I made like this. If you see, this is the plugin guys. You can see this is the plugin. This is called Service Box plugin. And this is contact form. I change the colors, everything. And you can see this. This is a plugin. Image carousel plugin. I'll show that anyway. This is one plugin showing like this. This is also a plugin. And showing reviews also one plugin. Team member plugin name. And this is the counter actually. When you open the website, directly some counters will come. This is also your plugin. So you want to see a websites, what kind of theme they have used, what kind of plugin. There is a website called WP Theme Detector. First it will find you whether it is a WordPress website or not. If it is a WordPress website, what theme they are using and what plugins they are using, information also it will tell you. So wpthemedetector.com. As of now, what are the plugins I gave you? That are the mandatory plugins. And you can try remaining plugins as per your requirements. Contact form, live chat, or chatbot, pop-up. Then what we tried after pop-up, social share buttons. Then click to chat, WhatsApp, call now. And if you see, when I put it here, it's showing that my theme is Hitmag. That is meant for blog, but I made completely as a website. And what are the plugins I used? QR code tag, countdown timer, click to chat WhatsApp, counter number, Accordion FAQ. When you click on that, the different questions are coming, right? That is called this one. Service box showcase, tab responsive, download monitor. In my website, people can download resumes, some material they can download. Table price for tables, team members for reviews, contact form by subsystic, social share by subsystic, all-in-one SEO pack for the SEO you'll be learning later. So in such a way, any website you can push it. First will tell you whether it is a WordPress or not. If it is a WordPress, what is the theme, what kind of plugin. So depends on your requirement, search plugins and number of plugins you'll be finding. Any questions on this? Okay. So I'm uploading this on my YouTube. This is my YouTube channel. YouTube, type ODMT. You find my channel. This is the channel. All the videos are available here. For easy purpose, I made it a playlist actually. You can go to playlist. Here, Google AdWords, SEO, and complete digital marketing training videos are there. And here, one by one, step by step, I push all the videos. You can see. And if you have a website, you don't know how to take your website to the next level, how to do SEO and Google Ads, you can contact me. I'll be consulting you. Or else if you are a student, you're looking for a job, or else a job change, you can take our online courses. Or else if you are from Hyderabad, you can take our classroom training. Thank you very much.